Did you know dogs in India and Pakistan face many health challenges? Let's explore 4 key disease categories to protect our furry friends. First up, bacterial diseases like Leptospirosis and Brucellosis. Leptospirosis spreads through contaminated water, while brucellosis affects reproduction. Always ensure clean water and regular vet checkups. Viral threats include rabies, parvovirus, and canine distemper. These can be fatal, but are preventable with timely vaccinations. A yearly shot could save your dog's life. Fungal infections like ringworm cause itchy patches, while aspergillosis affects the nose. Keep your dog's environment clean to reduce risks. Protozoal diseases like Babesiosis and Giardiasis are spread by ticks and contaminated water. Use tick preventatives and always provide clean drinking water. These diseases are common but preventable. Stay alert and keep your dog healthy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and watch detailed videos about these diseases on our YouTube channel. See you in Part 2.